How's it going today? My name is Joel Starzinski, and this is Lab 2. Now, for Lab 2, I created the organizational unit Lab 2 with users and groups inside. In my users, I created my 4 development guys, my 2 system integrators, my system architect, my data analyst, and my development director. In my group section, I created the integrators, architects, development director, software developers, database analysts, and project 1 and 2. Now, in this case, because there were going to be specific people from each of these groups that were going to have access to project 1 and project 2, I made specific groups for project 1 and project 2. And inside those, I just put the users that were going to have that because in a lot of cases you can nest the groups inside of other groups to give them added permissions. But in this case, because only 2 of my software developers and 1 of my analysts were going to be in each of the group, you can't really do it that way. So I just made separate groups. So that is my organizational units. Now, as far as my network structure goes, so I created my Lab 2 folder. I'm on administrator on my other one, so I can see everything because I've got access to it all. So I've got my project 1 and my project 2 folders. Inside, I've got brainstorming. They both have the same thing. So on my server 02, I'm presently logged in as development user 1. So because he's only allowed access to project 1, he will only see project 1. Now he can go in here, he can create a file, 2. So he can create a text document in here, put whatever he wants in there, testing, and save that, and that's good. And brainstorming, anybody can go in here, test 3. Anybody can go into that folder, create files, so long as they have, like, they're from the project 1 group. So now this, well, here, let's switch users here. And let's go into somebody else within that same group. So we'll go with development user 2. So the way I've got this set up, so they can, yet again, they're only going to see project 1. Now, they also can create a file, but because this other guy created it, we'll take these parts out of here, they don't have the access. So they can go in, they can read stuff, but they can't edit it. However, if they go into brainstorming, support, they have the permission to edit that. So let's flip over just to show you that it is what I say it is. Switch user again. Let us go to development user 3. He is on project 2. All right. Okay, this one let's just go JS. Okay, so yeah, we'll go network view. So he can only see project 2 because he's only part of project 2. So I've got the Abe set up so the other groups can't see each other. He as well can create files in here, but same thing. He can create files in brainstorming. Anybody can edit. He can create a file in there, and only he can edit it. So now let's just try something here. Last person I want to show you before I finish this off is my development director. because he has the ability to see what everybody's seeing. He can see everything that everybody sees. So he can see both project 1 and 2. He can go in, he can see these files. However, if he tries to edit anything, he has no read or write permissions. So just be like, nope, sorry, can't do that. He does not access denied. So he can go in, he can see what everybody's doing, but he can't change anything. So he can be the overseer of everything, but he can't change anything. So I created my users, I created my groups, I gave them the proper permissions that only the teams can see which team they have access to. They can create folder files within their initial project thing where the other people can't come in from their group and edit it. But in brainstorming, anybody can create and edit whatever they want. So I hope that is good and have a nice day.